Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. I know I've done a video previously where I talk about I'm doing a moratorium on talking about tax, especially as it pertains to foreigners, and doing any kind of analysis on that. You can look at prior videos. I have a prior video regarding the moratorium itself. You can get into that if you want. By the way, for those who think I'm doing this out of some order from any entity here in Thailand, I am not. This is me doing it on my own. Now, that said, this video is not specifically on the topic of tax as it applies to foreigners in Thailand. This is more sort of a kind of a key piece of news, for lack of a better term, that has a lot of information in it that is pertinent to this channel, so that's the reason for the video. That said, I thought of making this video after reading a recent article from the Bangkok Post. BangkokPost.com article is titled, Paetongtarn Lays Down Tax Challenge. Quoting directly, Prime Minister Paetongtarn Shinawatra on Tuesday challenged the opposition to submit a complaint to the Revenue Department if it wants an investigation into whether she avoided paying inheritance tax worth 218.7 million baht. Ms. Paetongtarn told an army of reporters outside Parliament that she was not concerned about the opposition's plan to submit a complaint to the tax agency and seek an ethics investigation. Go ahead and follow the process so that everything becomes clear, she said. As for myself, I've always adhered to all the rules and regulations. Any scrutiny is welcome. I entered politics knowing that I would be subject to investigations. So yeah, that's basically where this thing sits. You know, she can be subjected to scrutiny and investigations regarding tax matters pertaining to, her prior activity. And, I think she's being as straightforward as one can be with regard to that. Now, I'm not aware of sort of the underlying facts here, so I'm not going to say that I know what's going on with regard to this. But that said, we've discussed tax a lot here on this channel recently. I kind of been making this video for no other reason than to basically elucidate that, this is an issue not only for foreigners here in Thailand, but Thais as well, obviously, but also for Thais in very high places, as it can have an impact even on the Prime Minister here in the Kingdom of Thailand.